zonification area, ang isang protected area kung saan yung pwede lang natin mapunta the Protected Area Management Board kung saan ito ang governing body. No? Gumagawa ng policies and then ang nag-implement is the Protected Area Superintendent. Ang composition ng board coming from different stakeholders. And napakaganda pa ang tubo ng mangrove species nitong mga bakawan, kahit anong itarim natin. I believe meron tayong dalang mga propagules ngayon. I-relate natin ito ngayon sa current issue. Anong current issue? Climate change, the effects of climate change. Sa ngayon, meron na tayong tatlong words na palaging nire-relate sa when we talk of climate change. Ang dati is dalawa lang na yung mitigation, adaptation. Sa ngayon, meron tayong natagdag na anticipation. We are to anticipate. Of course, in mitigation, we try to do something to lessen the negative impact. And that is isa na
reminder lamang po. Okay, yung ibang live base, huwag nyo lang gamitin sa loob ng bangka po, ha? Wala kayo doon sa akin. Yung guest natin po taga Manila po, mauna na po kayo, ma'am. Ang guest po natin pa Manila.
Joey.
Hi. Hello.
They're getting ready for departure, going to the Santa Cruz Island. Yeah. Okay, we are now going to Santa Cruz Island. So that's supposed to be protected area.
Let's see how protected.
Okay, let's see how protected it is by these people who are going there. So what are your expectations? Your first time, second time, many times?
My first time.
First to go to Santa Cruz Island. So what are you expecting?
Well, I'm expecting some pink sand. I guess that's basically what to expect, right?
So you hopefully you'll be enjoying this day.
Yes, of course.
My 30 years of existence, this is my first time to go to Santa Cruz Island. There's no opportunity really to go. But again,
So you're glad that you're with Laters?
yeah, I'm glad that I am with Zaters. No, it's Zaters. From Zaters.
This is also my first time. I feel like I'm a virgin all over again. Again.
And this is Eileen.
This is really my first time.
Also?
Yeah.
Ah,
Genuine.
grabe. So we are on the verge of virginizing each other.
Really nice. This is my second time, but much happier and much fun ngayon kasi
How about me?
masyadong
What about that one over there? What is he doing here in this world? What are you doing in this world?
This is the first time.
The second time.
Your second time also. So you are already not virgin in the place.
When was the first time you were there?
When I was still 16.
How when you were 16?
And now you're like 5.
17.
Last year lang.
So mas mucho ka at least one, mga first time. First time mo rin, Bossing?
Yes, first time.
Bakit mo naging first time?
Kasi wala pang second time.
Wala pa second. So ito yung pambot-pambot na ginagamit namin. So we will be experiencing some turbulence in a few moments of our lives because of the wavy over there. Yes. Short turbulence because of that. Yay! So this is the reason why we are wearing this vest.
Tell me what you see. You ain't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest. I got more in me, and you can set it free. I can catch the moon in my hand. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. People see me and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my name. Baby, hold tight.
Amo si El, protection para na leg di Joy na hindi daw kita negro.
I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. People see me and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my name.
This is my life.
Masyadong mainit ng araw. Terribly hot. Lalo na pagdating sa Patacos Island. Again, masyadong mainit na doon.
I'm gonna learn how to fly. People see me and
Baka kahit pa yung nakagawa. So, este El Santa Cruz Island, ah. So, this is it.
remember my name.
Oh, bueno po ustedes, se podía hacer come. Kami tarda ka de espera. Tarda ka de espera. Leve, Ang sino? Na, chine, sausawan. Dapat na sabay sausawan niya sila. Tadali ka naman ng kumida, kargadas. Pero sausawa lang may toyo.
Doy kami libat toyo.
toyo.
Bagoong. Bagoong. Kere? Oh.
Mira ka sa channel bonito white pitch ale pag iba share pa.
Amo lagi. Hindi kaya pruba-pruba lang kita sir. Mira kita si comment namin ko sa channel lagi.
Bago ako magbigay ng welcome remarks sa inyo, I will introduce to you myself. I am Hani T. Gulhani, a tribal and community leader of Santa Cruz Island. So ang sa akin lang welcome ko dito sa inyo, ipakita ko dito sa Santa Cruz Island, protektado kayo dito, at saka wala namang problema, secured tayo, meron tayong detachment dito sa kabila, at saka with the police. Saka itong area nito, merong kung gusto niyo mag-souvenir, andyan, may binibenta nilang mga souvenir. Saka huwag kayong mag-alala kung dito lang sa area ko, we will protect you. So, well.
Itong area is a protected area pursuant to Proclamation number 271 dated April 23, 2000. And siguro magtanong tayo, what are the unique features of this island? No? First of all, we have a pink sun. Itong sun sa Santa Cruz can be compared to that of Boracay. You can have a boating, pwede kayo magbangka. Yung isang bangka, pwede dalawa ang magsakay. Yung operator at saka yung pasahero. Pero mamaya, palatangan, and we have pagatpat. So dito sa Santa Cruz Island, we have plenty of mangrove species, around 20 species, no? And another, we can have bus viewing. Then we have marine life species. Kung gusto niyo magkain ng lato, that is a product of the lagoon. We have tried going to the lagoon talaga 85 families. At saka yung mga brothers namin sa Philippines, they give us training. So, hindi na magsayaw ng pangalan.
Maliit pa. May busain, maitim siya. Then, maganda yung red yung net ganyan dito. Hindi ka ito con. Yung sa kanya parang flower, yung sa busain. Busain meron dyan. So, ito po yung pakawang babae. So, before planting, kailangan tanggalin natin itong crown. Ayan. Ito ay ikutin nyo lang. Tapos po, yung distance is at least 1 meter to 1.5 meter. Bakit po 1 meter? Iba, malayo. No? Kasi yung purely, yung distance, iba yung kailangan doon malaman natin for production siya or protection. So, mangrove, purely protection, kaya malapit ang itatanim natin. Para wala hindi makapasok ng mga tao. Kanina po, di ba, nasabi ni Sandro, yung maging nursery siya.
Dapat nandito siya, pero meron siyang ibang priority. Kaya hindi siya makaka-attend. But he texted me, sabi niya, send my regards and warm greeting sa grupo. And then, oath-taking ng mga officers ng Zatters and community organizing. Sa February, meron tayong Durian Falls. So, pakikalendar nyo na lang yan, in case you wanna go with us. Sa March, we have Mangrove Tour. Ito bang tour? Mampang. Sa Mampang to, Mangrove. And then April, meron tayong Mount Timolan Adventure Trek. Saan ba itong Timolan, sir? Sa Bangalore Tour. Sa April yun. And then sa May, we have Eco Camping sa Baluno. Ma'am, doon sa Baluno. Kawit. Okay, Kawit. And then June, we have Spelunking. July, we have orientation on adventure tourism. Itong mga orientation, meron kasi tayong kasama si Sir Manny. Galing siya sa Subic Bay. So, meron siyang mga learnings na natutunan from International School of Eco Guiding. So, i-share niya sa atin. like jungle survival, yung mga iniinom natin tubig galing sa leaves, yung magtindi ng gumawa ng fire gamit ang bato, mga ganon. So by August, we have La Paz Climb. And then September, Congo Falls. Congo Falls. Oh, Waka Waka. And then October, Fiesta Hermosa Adventure Race. So, Nikitantina. And then November, is exciting. We have Malaysia Ecotour. So, if you're interested, araw pa lang, siguro yung kita mag-save.
Go, you're on the plane.
Pwede. Pwede lang. Go tumbling yourself.
Saka to kaming video kuya ha.
See, go. 1, 2, 3. Sige. 1.
Una ya to. Anda ya ano oh.
Dahan-dahan, may mga kwan siguro dyan, matutulis na mga...
Hindi ako, kita, okay, kita, hindi na yan. Okay, Chedelas! 5 peso lang kape, Alpe!
Akala nyo
Buhay pa, ano? Magalaw pa.
Bongga, boss! Hindi ko kinaya.
Okay, join in. Join in the pose. Join in.
And how about me?
Santa Maria, SF, Mega Mall. Sige, girl. Girl, sige, girl.